Nice.
Look who get our time at ours now, yeah. How you did it?
Do you know if I'm gonna do no friending?
Which friend that? Oh, me
Kimmy.
no know
You
about
know
no friend we
Kimmy?
have.
Kimmy.
Which Kimmy?
Try up there, sir.
Look how I'm tell it a par with them, girlie. A bad company they be. Look how I'm tell it a par with them. Look how much I can they pan road now. For a year, mother left and gone, she not send me more money. I mean, I no money for my me and you. But yeah, she live with man a foreign. I know she can't send me $10. You need to stop left the yard. And if you have the yard, don't make me know. And don't come back in the house the time I was. You hear me tell you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Alright, yeah, no. Remember that.
No, also.
No, me think no.
Babes.
When you give me money.
Oi, me a come.
Come because go and talk to one time, and I don't want to talk to me 2 times. Okay, so when me at work. Alright, yeah. You get a piece of work, right? I'm going to tell you about that last night. So I'm going to check out, you know. Me know might come back right, you know. But me I go see what me can do. So, why you sit and talk to him as a mother to son? Sit down and talk to him. Come here, say my brother and me trouble in the neighborhood.
Him need a father to talk to him to man. Him need man to man talking to.
No, most of the time we talk to him, we just want to rockle him 2 fists. I mean, no why not that. Because he might take me money, he might take me money. I go club. Go tip in a girl jazz.
Okay.
Eh?
When we there had live pan cup soup. I'm tired of cup soup, man.
I want
me have, me can provide.
Big man, you know, me soon 21 now, you know. So me at 21, so me a big man now, me soon 21 daddy, me want big money to buy big food. I want extra money too. To get and get it a road. You know, so when we go touch my road, I want to go juice money, you know.
So if you work hard and come get a big man, like as they say, you're some big man. Adult.
Hey.
Because at 21, me tell you, say you're adult.
Daddy.
You could have go get some work in a Chinese and pack bag.
For a long time.
Flour. Fry your touch. 18.
Listen me, daddy. What you tell me say, before I left school, you know, I'm look no work with the right thing.
No, and
I left school. I'm left school, I'm still going to try to look work.
Me say to you, say, my son, me want you to go and study a little bit. I ain't not study a little bit. You could have go look work, you know.
You know me for look no work. I'm for you.
Because I think you're going to a hard school when you catch 18.
I get a trade.
Are you cast daddy, man? Tell me go look at work. I said no work.
Take him with you, man. You go look work. Take him with you, man. Make him get little experience.
Take him with you. I cannot take my son to me not to make me I get through yet. I beg the work to get through. So me can elevate and buy grocery now. Big grocery now and money.
Make sure say you know say work here go on, you know. Not other kind of work, you know. Cause me want to know how you can bring your son with you to work.
That daddy, blow off fast.
Yeah man, I say you have to eat up him, man.
You blow off fast, man. That man tell him. You want hard food, daddy, flour and something, man.
You can work and get a job or start a business.
I see me. Give me a money, me invest it. Can't invest it, man. So me young, you know. Me know look thing I can't go on nice street.
The last time we give you 50,000 for your 20th birthday, right?
Birthday money that, daddy. Birthday money that. You know, look for that money.
In next year, you know what insure me have left? $100.
Hey!
I ain't know when go buy with it.
Go.
Which go? Spliff. Weed. $200 weed.
But again, thing for them, you
Cha.
I'm going to left something by a script to you know something.
I'm here eat cup soup. And you want all that kind of breed of money for do that? You know what that kind of breed of money can do?
50,000. I just spend it.
Hey!
My son.
As your boss see blast up.
Oh, you're right, sir. Do the right thing.
Yeah.
Stop go at the club at night time and invest. If you want me to get money to invest, prove it to me and make me can trust you enough to give you money. That's why I look
So if you don't give me money, how am I going to prove it with you? You have to give me it now so I can prove it.
Alright, I'm going to send 30 grand in your account. You prove it to me.
30 grand.
Yeah, you prove it to me.
So much I can put in mine or in my hand.
Can give 15, baby.
You can just give me 100, daddy. A big business method about
A matter of fact, I give you 15 and give him 15. Can in the dig more than one can.
Better you give me the 20 and give him 10 and see what you can do with the 10
Alright,
and
so
prove himself with
invest, you know.
that.
I invest in daddy.
No, the 10, you can flip it 10.
That must.
You can flip it.
No, I should know. Put 10 on
Ask
it.
your mother when you didn't know me one time. I use $5,000 and multiply it and get whole heap of money. See there? And the new boss is a call me. Yes, boss. Me a come, boss. Me almost reach down the hill, boss. Yes, I run, boss. You know me tired. Me a run, boss. Yeah, me a come. Trust me, me a come. All right. No, me soon reach me. Yo, top 10 boy, you know so like me soon reach. Me reach, man. Me a come. Right eye hill foot a come down. Yes, boss. All right, jump. All right, boss. Yeah.
See there?
Boss, I call me. Here.
I see.
Your mother go give you 10. You're saying in your account you give 10. And you keep it 20. And please, you can cock your ears a little.
Anything you say to me, son, we
boys
must.
to
No,
boys,
man,
no,
man
man,
to
a
man
boys
talk,
to
man.
boys
It's not woman thing, a man to man right thing going on.
Boys to boys.
You mean man to man too? Because you're not reach
Come
manhood
here,
yet.
come here.
That's
You
the
know,
right
so,
thing.
you know something? Go on, talk.
If any man come in that yard, yeah, let me know.
Extra to that.
Kuya.
Yeah, man.
Like say me with a fool like I him.
Yeah,
To
man.
make
Don't let me know.
you catch.
Watch.
You have to live for discount. You
Look,
know. I told you I have, you know.
Watch.
So me see on the right and I see what I'm over left, you know. I'm
What's
left
that?
and I see right.
Remember,
You're a higher guard man now.
Huh?
You're a higher guard man now.
How come
Body
me no
guard
want no
now.
boy water my land when me left here, baby.
Okay, well I
Man.
tell you what, baby, the good you're doing out there when you're out of my sight is the same good me I do when me out of your sight.
Okay, come on,
all
do the
right.
right thing, what I mean.
All right, I mean I do the right thing,
Love
yes
you.
sir. Well, lot of love back.
All right, I tell you, baby.
That's the thing, so me a jackass. And you, stop use your money pan the chicken head them.
We use it for mommy.
Invest. Invest the
I
money.
do invest in a year, man.
No, man, invest your money and make your money work for you. Shit the pot of bun.
All right.
All right.
Belly, you know.
I'm not seeing this thing yet, man.
Mommy,
What?
you know I go on already, man. You have to look so.
May I check the same thing? I'm not send yet.
No, man. From mine that is a little thing.
I'm not send it yet. I'm not send it yet.
Just give 1 10 grand to your pocket, you know. Then,
No, sir, me have to
come
go.
on, touch your road, you know.
You have to go wait, job on.
No, man. The girl, them a wait for me, mommy, man.
The dishes, them a wait for you too. Your room still a wait for you too for clean.
So, no worry about your room. Your room, all right.
Well, by the time you do all of that, your father should have sent the thing. I'm not sending it yet.
Say now no money, differently.
Not for that, no.
I want to buy something from the road, there, mommy. You look feel you wait for me. I done all that little food them already and sitting.
So, Jabon, why you not gonna get a job? Start a business.
That is I'm not to work. So I now work. Chop on the work, then you say, I'm not chopper.
You're not a chopper.
And that me I see.
You're not a worker. You're just a whore.
No, it's a whore sell them, but I not sell.
At least them earn money.
I not sell or take things, I not take nothing.
You just take from your father and me and give to them.
Money.
Like say easy for come by.
I'm going to go thief. Better me come
Me not
beg you
say
eat.
that. Me not say that. But better you go road and earn your living, earn your money. The big money I take to give woman.
I look at any wallet she I get. No wallet, me also pay for you look for them because she order was steak order and
Cook
stuff.
fat. Are we there drink cup soup?
Daddy cost that. Daddy have the money.
You're a big man. You say you're a big man, so you're responsible for your own actions. Your father can't answer you for you.
Just give me a little money, I'm going to business.
Well, me no know where you
go
gonna get that. I mean, try no see you not thief nothing. Although me no see you not thief still. But me not have that kind of money now. And all when him send it, me still have to go down into town and go get it out.
I can't give me a car, I don't know.
You must be mad. You think so me born big, so?
But now, you can't limit it. Can't limit it, you know, don't, mommy, man. Me know. $1 million now spend now one day.
Okay. So how much was them so you are gonna spend money pan? No, sir.
Come in,
Me no hustle my little money and put your father in him foolishness. If give you money for go give girl, chicken head girl like that.
Give me money, I'm going about business in a man, you know.
Job and go inside. Find something constructive to do.
I have to cancel the date then I'll come back then, mommy.
You must have to go do that then. Find something constructive to do. Find a way legally to earn money and make money.
So what time I can get that?
I mean, you know, you have to talk to your father upon that one. Is when him send it and me go downtown.
All right.
Cha. Rob, me I tell you. Yes.
Popeye!
What
Popeye!
My phone you back. Hello, young miss.
Yes.
Hello, young miss.
Yes.
You're coming to my yard. You not even see me there for have manners to say good evening.
Good evening.
How every time you are coming at this your yard, and my husband name you call?
I my only name I can't remember.
The only name you can remember? So what you and my husband have so?
Anyways, the job one me really come to. Job one there?
Hold on, you don't know who you come to?
Job one.
Well, my girl, he is not here. So your foot sharp on that one.
Okay.
So me don't know what you're gonna do. Little and primey. Popeye, you better know what you're doing, you know. Oh.
Shin,
Mm-hmm.
what go on? How you come from Elena?
Don't this where I come from.
Don't this away.
Where your father dey?
You mean my father there? What kind of question to
Me
ask?
just ask your film call long time I not see
I
him.
know you ask my father, you know. No, you ask my father, man. I really say you try to use me to check my father, do you know.
How you know that?
How me know that?
Eh.
Give yourself from other day. But wait till my mother find out. Yeah, when mother find out, gonna see what I go on, but you
So what you try say? I go tell.
Well, you can't pay me for me no chat.
In a cash?
Anyway you want pay, cash, card, anyway. Or the other way.
Easy yourself. You know say me not like young boy. You old man me like.
Well, old boy I like, you have to give me something. See me?
I say what make you do that?
What me want me to do that?
Say you talk.
What you mean if me go talk? You're a young girl, you know. I'm here for there with you, kind of old man I want.
Alright, come with me and you don't listen.
You one can go up in the bush, man, go sort out.
Yeah, we can start out.
Yeah, man, I love that, man. Some more of them payment nowadays.
So about continue.
Yeah, me, no, so I have to continue.
What's this?
What going on, mommy?
But son, you never tell me, say, I'm a daughter-in-law.
No, man, she am my daughter-in-law, mother, man. Come like I got an angel from heaven for me. You know them angel, eh? Devil of angel and God of angel. Come like one to come for this stripe on the earth, though, but my look once I know, mommy, man.
How many you depend? How many you depend?
Oh, you still want to look for the same way, mommy? Or go on feet when I reach it?
Where you talk?
Oh, like, for if I look for practice to me, I know it's more right now to go buy a little something and buy myself a drink up a bar there.
Oh.
No, go on with the vibes. Just go on.
Like how you have your nice girlfriend, nobody use it.
I'm tell you today, I'm come feel look for practice early on so I can buy a little thing. Like, I come and I disrespect my body and that. But when I see it, I don't grow. I want woman me have and see her.
Okay.
You see how you look?
Okay. Well, me never bring my card, but it's up on my phone, so the details is on my phone. So take the phone with you. And you see it?
Money fund, man.
So you have the details.
Yeah, man. I right. You give me a card. Come on now.
So, my daughter-in-law, you alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Sorry, I was a little bit harsh with you earlier. I never realized you did with my son.
Yeah,
Poor man, I
that's
can't see her more, yeah?
Yes. Yes, son.
Yeah, I'll see her more, man. Don't worry yourself.
Alright.
Watch him. Can't even walk straight.
Mommy, where they are, so?
I wait upon you.
You never move off and find out how long.
You think I'm an idiot? Eh? You think I'm an idiot?
How happened now, mommy?
Me there yard and me hear my phone go ping. 20 grand come off of my phone. Off of my out of my account. How that?
You know, so make a big mistake, mommy. So I put in, I put Joy 10 grand. Let me make a mistake and put it 2. And then look good. Just press it, enter.
Eh?
Look, 20 years, what say? 20 grand. So that's what I'm wash no face for me. Just alright, I'm just alright. Do me do it with my 10. I mean I walk. Look me I pass one bar. He said, be hot girl over there, mommy. Be hot girl, you know. I know me love woman, mommy. Be hot girl, me say over there, you know. If you just pull up and buy one drink. You know, you go already 1 ton or 2 ton or 5. As me feel left more, I say buy a buckle.
Buy which buckle? Where my money there? Where my money there? Me not business with that and you in the job on.
I mean, you know, say woman take you all your money. Come and go buy a buckle and take away a buckle from me. I say thanks.
Lord
and I say,
God.
if me love her, just buy a buckle. I'm saying, I'm telling you, I love you, man. I say, clean. I say, one buckle. I'm going on the buckle. And I say, thanks. Alone me get. I say, thanks.
Chaja! Hey!
I laugh at mommy.
So, me not even raise a jawbone idiot. You know for name jawbone, you know? You for name Bobo. Bobo, the blasted clown.
No, sir.
How you make woman tell you that and you go buy buckle? Eh? You even get none out of the buckle?
In case I buy a couple drinks for myself different from the buckle.
Hey, spots here. What is not this? So here, tell me something. And that's a rule you know?
No, you say,
And that's a rule you? And that's a rule you, little head.
Sometimes I head up a roller sometime, you know.
But you not think with no head job on?
No, I just a head. I work a head that's lock off, man.
Every head you feel lock off, man. How the back side?
Oh, my boy, I tell you, so you go, yeah, man. I just want those, yes.
Really?
Just call daddy, no, man. Just call
Really?
daddy. Just call daddy. Send her money again. I think we alright.
You don't know your father. You don't know your father who? That man so mean if him poop. Money could drop out, say him not poop. Him walk and screechy. Him send 30 grand already. He nah send no more. If me in a mine shop 2-3 months, me have to depend him forget that a month.
So I'm stingy now, but yeah, just like a woman sweep me up since day, then you can sweet him up to call woman a name. The woman just sweep me up, be a nice things him a tell me, I say, have to work with that.
Jawbone, seriously, you're a big man now. You can't think for yourself. Me no know what I think for you.
About, you know.
Which part? You're idiot clown. If you didn't even get something bad, I'm not too bad.
Me not get yet impending.
Hey,
It's
impending.
pending,
I promise is a comfort
No.
to a damn fool.
He gonna want more. So when I come and give him back and I wash no face, me even screw him, let's say, alright, you that one, hold that.
Here what? You see from this day, me mark the 10. You see from this day, you're gonna get a job. Me don't know how you're gonna do it. Me don't know if you're gonna start a business. Me I beg you not thief.
Call him and ask him about no kind of work.
Any money coming in my hand is for me. Since you will take money and money that don't belong to you, I buy drink for this and drink for that, You not even can show nothing for the drink. If you love me.
Change and buy 1 gram amount of eat.
Hey, a real girl clown, my son.
Too much rum, me I tell you too much rum right now. If you let me go to sleep, I mean, no cook out.
You feed for yourself. You mind for yourself. You see from today there? You mind yourself. You feed for yourself. You cook for yourself. You wash for yourself and everything. Me done with it now. How you really can take money, go buy drink and you know... A joke you no man, a joke you have to make. A joke you have to make. Because me could never raise a bobo clown. Lord God. Hey! You know what? Make me go down. Because if you stay in the side too much longer, me I go do something to you, boy. Come out to my side.
I go lie down and sit.
Go look walk.
That's your broke off boyfriend.
What you mean broke and rosy?
What I mean by you know hear word them. The word them to describe what
Easy.
me I say.
So long I borrow myself, I just shell 20 grand on that, you know, and even responding.
You know say fi
Bossy boy,
no,
bossy.
you know say the mouth make fi talk, no too.
If we talk,
Yeah. And you can't chat anything out of your mouth, no
brown
too.
in there.
You see your mouth make anything fi chat.
You cat in my bar.
Watch ya. You can't tell me say you have one mansion up there so and then you can't say if me not believe me fi go on up there go look on somebody house me cannot see instead of fear.
No, we not cap.
No,
We not cap. We lifestyle. So we lifestyle, we not cap that.
So 20 grand of money you talk about. 20 grand a day like a chum change them. You cannot boast and go on so strong about. Alright. Give me $1,000.
You me just talk about 20 grand of my boy. You know hear what
You
my
see,
friend.
broke and boast.
No. I'm go up and come back down. And more money than that.
What you mean?
1,000 are nothing, man. 20 grand are nothing neither, man. I'm tell you, man.
We lose a boy like you don't work, you know. So what you mean by them they come like a treasure to you, you know?
No worry yourself, man. Me have my ways, me have my source. Me have my source, you know.
What type of source?
Don't
Tell me
worry
about
about
your
that,
source.
man. Just know say your source say you bring in the money. I want money, I get money.
Your source are your parents.
Parents.
But I don't see no more source.
Man.
Where
We
you
are
chat about?
pending billionaire now. We don't deal with parents' money, man. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, as me say, the more me fit chat anything.
So still
Where you
not
do
say
fit
me
turn millionaire?
What about that? Let's take that alone.
Hmm.
So you say you can give me a number.
You want my
can
number?
link up.
Alright. 12. Take out the phone now, you got take it. Come on, 12. Oh, it's a pull. You see? They think you're strong and you're a billionaire, you have them type of phone.
No, man, you see your fingers come out one finger here. Crook.
Then which phone go crook? No phone no
face
go
scan
crook.
too. No, listen me out. What number go we can link up.
Alright, 12, 34, 56, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see, I'm like a uno now. A uno, you know. Like, how you feel just see me and just want me 7 digits, so you think me an idiot?
What you mean by so me can't see I like you?
No, that's something that don't work. You see, all that brown girl, she have to go at her. Go, she love all that man, and you all, man, don't know if you're all in a real life, but the way you carry yourself, you're all your fault. And she realize say, look, me papa from over there, you know. Me just take notice of her.
No, sir, I'm my brother, man. I'm alone around that one. She don't want no man.
Alright, you see? Your mother's cunt.
What?
Your mother's cunt. So how you have brown girl and come here and come look me? I hook you're
Bro,
dumb.
I mean, I know she gonna find experience, man. She fly out.
Me no business. I'm like, you know, only day, you know, serious about it. You just want a little one night and go on. I want a hit and run.
I want every night.
Every night, go to your browning. Your browning will love white man. I mean, no, I really white man. Which white man? Old man. Cause you
no
man, we are go chat about her. Cause you say
talk about me and
she
you.
don't. No, there's no me and you. I don't know where you get that from, but you delete it out of your head. You erase it. Factory reset your brain. Come again. As me I say now, that the girl there, me understand why she there with old people, you know. Cause you see, no young boy. The only thing we know just want to feel lead on and feel collect digital, nothing more. No shell a bar or whatsoever in your opinion. That's all you know have to do, you know. But you see, all man know, the only thing we know want a have intercourse. You see, all man we just flingy money upon her and then we are there. So me understand her. Me feel like me have to go start following her footsteps then cause.
Enough young girl me here that talk say, oh, all man water crutch. So all man water crutch up.
No. Oh man, water no scratch when you get the money in your hand. Your hand not go scratch you. It all scratch you before you get money. They say when your hand scratch you, go get money.
And your hand scratch you, you know?
No, when I scratch. All man, where they look how we can stand strong, and then one day. Yes, and then one day. I'm not believe they won't scratch nothing. All you have to do just sexy and everything. Yeah, man.
Two women show about money. Cause you see they ain't up to standard, you know?
Yeah.
So what they do? You waste an hour so they face work.
Which
me
face?
A young boy. I'm a waste me walk.
Many old people cuter than you know. A face me watch, you know.
No man, you don't want
watch face, me no watch waist. Everybody can go so. Every man can go, so that alright.
Feel.
That alright. But don't know what me feel. Me a virgin. No man.
Face boy now work.
Face work.
No.
Anyhow, you have one ugly mug of a girlfriend, you don't carry out in a public? No, you don't hide him. So, yeah, next one.
Man.
Yeah, what happened to her? Tell the man who say
If you have your money up, man, that different.
No, what if she don't have no money and she ugly?
Well, me have my
What
money
if in
up, me
fear
can
of
spend on it,
what if in fear of with a ugly woman then you had within teeth them jungle in a hip and TikTok. Alright, so you if you did have a woman like a she, you don't care
look for me. You say me look gringo looking, a pretty girl me go off her. Yeah, me look girl ugly on me. Yeah. To talk to me nice now.
Too ugly.
Gringo.
You say two ugly people, what if you don't have one pitney? If pitney would have to commit suicide, you know? You know, don't do it, baby, so dirty.
That me I tell you. Pretty.
So, pretty girl.
When I was growing up, when I grew up, what you see on TV, Beauty and the Beast. If I see Beast and Beast.
No, I never yet see Beauty and Beast. Because I never yet even have TV on my yard. So I don't know where me fit on from see Beauty and Beast. No, but you're broke. You don't even can't give me $1,000, much less buy a TV.
You know, I dig off, you know. I'll see you again here.
No, you're probably lucky enough to see me when I go shop. But other than that, you can't see me. I don't want you to see me.
I'll see you again, man. I must get you, you know.
Yeah, where? Yeah, dream on, man.
Hello. Now when I switch it. Our time hours now. Again? Where you come from?
Don't have auntie.
Where will our auntie go do?
We don't have auntie go spend the day and eat local food, come tell the dumpling and butter some. Go down to see if we can get something better than dumpling and butter.
Okay, girl. You put money in here?
No.
For your mother, they are foreign. You know, say no money come here. I mean, I have no money.
That's why I go down there. Because auntie have food down there, so I eat down there. And so, before you finish talk, auntie say I can come and make us stay.
Oh, so you got people here going them out their food and come back, but you tell the dumpling and butter. Friday, your mama push you out and go, Friday, you know, send $10 come here. And you left your pan daddy and daddy wanna feel take care of we. And so you go and friend me have to wait till you send money come here so me can buy groceries put in the house. So you have to continue to dumpling and butter with the here.
Every day, I go down to auntie.
Oh, alright. Since you're a big woman, left out the yard every day. Left the yard no? Leave the yard. And matter of fact, go bed. Go and go bed.
I wonder if I'm actually going to get some work. That's it, new machete. I work here, go do where you buy this?
Oh, come on, put the machine fine. Come here, go beat me. I'll shop with you, you know.
You for know what you do.
So you say go on now, mommy?
I work here fine.
Yeah. But me look off here for go down there lunch money. You can't let me carry me can just jaw me a jaw for it now.
Jabon, last time you put my phone in your hand and said draw X amount. 20 grand for a woman pum you never even get.
No, I say that woman tell say a mistake, man. Accident making money draw out, extra 10,000 draw out.
And me still can't see change, but me still can't even see that
back. Me get one piece of work with the last year.
So where you go work with that there?
Don't pan the road, yeah. So me go match up your work.
So who give you work?
Well, man, give me a piece of work. I walk and stress out and I come in and accustom myself and it's alright. I give to the rose and I give to the dog. It's alright. Dog phone like him, I beat the dog, I get enough. And I look a puppy, I get a dog, I get enough puppy. So, can't believe in your son this trip. Because I don't want, you know, yeah.
Jabon. If it's the truth you're talking now, I love that and I appreciate love that. Make sure, you know.
Yeah, so you let me carry, I can go. Pay me for your tide. I'll buy lunch outside. Come back, just give you if you get.
So what me forget? What me forget when you come back?
I give back a car with the money on it. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Believe me, I give back a car and thing.
Alright, Jabon. Me I got trust you, you know. Because Missy say, yeah, try. All new machete.
Brand new, me even pay for it yet. So I go pay for the car too. About 2,000 feet, man. Say, man, she get there, no? But he worth it still, he worth it. Believe he worth it, man.
And you never know. You do a good enough job with this one, this piece of work. You can get more work. Because word of mouth spread fast. So if you do a good job on, you'll get more work and more work. And then you can start hire people.
Actually, after me get my own company, me hire people, but...
Adapt me love.
I wait for me though, mommy.
So how much you say you gonna take?
Fear and lunch and fee my shit, about 2 grand fee my shit. So fear and lunch, you know where fear and lunch go?
Nobody go past 3, you know?
No.
But you can't go past 3 anyway, because I set limit
no,
on it.
2 for the machine.
So when you see when you get your wages, then you top up the rest.
Alright, man.
Nyambula
Don't worry now,
and
know me go do, man.
cran water.
Yes, man, I know me go do, man. Me say me a young boy, me for
And the money you take for buy floss, use it buy your lunch. And pull up your pants, man. You can't go work with your pants for the ankle.
True. No worry yourself, man. No worry yourself, man.
Alright. Work.
Like, mommy feel I say, come to mommy, man.
Job one where your father dey?
Stop asking for my father, my girl. Stop asking for my father, man. I mean, if you there, you know, just take me full time now, man.
Are your father me want me tell us I'm not like young boy, you know.
If mommy ever finance a problem, you know. I don't father ever finance me a problem, see, just take me from my father alone, man. Me have money, you know. If I give me can give to you know, me can give more than that. If I
So
give cash, me I give you card. See, if I give cash, me can give you card.
I lie.
You see me? No budget, man. I'm chill, man. I have to pick up full time, baby, man. I deal with it.
Yeah, man, me can't think about it.
No, but I think about it. If I think about it, give me a card, I think about it. I don't think about a card.
Alright. Yeah, man, we can link.
Alright.
Make sure someone with a penny, you know.
Oh, what you mean?
Alright.
If you wake up.
Okay.
No, I'll see you around here.
Yeah, man.
No. One more big mistake again. Lord God, me go kill me, you know. Mommy go kill me, you know. But no, me go tell her. That rush me, me lost the card. Alright.
And say my clean up.
Popeye! Popeye! Popeye!
Little girl, you're blind or me invisible, which one?
With
Me talk to you about this already, you know. This is the second time you're coming to my yard and I call for Popeye. And like say me invisible, I mean a there.
oh, sorry. Because a Popeye alone near me member. I'm used to Popeye.
So hold on, something. So you and my son are there?
Yes, so that's why I call Popeye if you ask for him.
Think about what you say. You come in my yard, I call my husband name, and I ask for your man. That makes sense?
Yeah, makes sense because me used to Popeye. I mean, I used to you.
So who you there with? Popeye or Jawbone?
Jawbone.
So you not come around here and ask for Jawbone, you ask for Popeye. Why
But
not that?
Popeye know me good. Because me there with his son and more time each year we hang out. So, me used to Popeye and you and me as you forget the name.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, as your mother-in-law or as your so-called boyfriend's mother, you can call me Mrs. Brown or Charmaine. Miss Charmaine.
Alright.
And you see when you come back into this yard, try remember your man name. So what your man name?
Jawbone.
Okay. So me still not understand why you keep asking for my husband.
Me no want to call Jawbone and you go here. And who I call out Jawbone so that's why me have to call Popeye.
Well, me not like it, here.
Okay.
Me not like other women are coming in my yard, ignore me in my yard and I call my husband name. Like say, you used to calling him name out in certain things.
Anyways, Jawbone not there.
No, it's not here.
Alright.
And have little manners when you come round to my place or home. And I like this, you know. Oh.
Watch
Man, I
out.
come back.
Huh?
I spend 1 week.
What? Where you say a while ago?
Or go on.
Where you say a while ago?
The day and the day, man, I say if I talk to.
Huh?
I say if I talk to my father, man. How you go?
Oh.
You come back so fast, though.
No, man, remember saying I know work, me really go work, you know.
You tell say you work, you go work. So how will you come back so fast? How I go on?
No, man, I want to catch me go spend the night with you. Think me here, what kind of work? I can go find and come back this and
You
that.
go there, you know that going on, you know.
Oh.
How am I go feel about that?
How you gonna feel about
How am I go feel about that? No me, mommy.
maybe your mother go no, and you must go tell your mother, no me go tell your mother.
Boy, well.
Listen, why I come over here so I talk to you there? Listen what me I say now. I don't want your mother know about this.
She not have to know. You know where you go. You know.
Call the woman of mine, you know. I would have to call me as we come in the area. You see, as we start coming to the lane, people are show me. I don't like them bad
Listen now. If you know what I'm know, I can turn me eye over so and lock it shut. Cover me ears, I never hear nothing.
Yeah, man, you're my son, man. I don't know that already. You mean? What's it?
But, how you go?
Eh?
Come, test it now, man.
Up a yard, me I go. What? What hand for?
Yeah, man. See I'm blind, hear and deaf and talk less.
When you come up, man, how are you?
No! I want to wait for me in the bar. I have to go check on me war or something.
Listen, now, son. When you come up,
Just transfer.
Alright, you're ready. We don't go bar and take one drink. Just tell him we get one drink. Me walk up, so just tell him we get one drink.
Daddy, me no walk, so daddy.
Talk to me, son, and you come and yell me. Wait.
1 second out of 1 second, man. 1 second out of second, man.
Hold on, I soon
1
talk to
second
you.
out of 1 second, man. Just give me
We can't get a second out of a second because there's no more limit in the
I
second. So.
chop me a choppy grass,
Oh, yeah, you work, you go to work.
I chop me a choppy grass, man.
How what happened to your grass?
Me go want one juice or something, come.
Oh, you want a juice?
It's thirsty, man.
Alright, go buy a juice and come back. Go buy a juice and come back.
2 bills.
Buy a juice.
15 more.
Because we don't know why we have to send man to come work. Because my son don't want to work.
No, but.
Alright, buy a juice.
No sort out.
Are you something for work like that, daddy?
Eh?
No sort out the real good.
Yeah, man. Because out there, I go back.
You something for work, you know. So now, tempo no work.
Me not supposed to pay other someone
No,
to
you're
clean
something
up
for
the yard.
work. You're something for work. So why I have a problem that now?
No, at time now for your work. You got 21 soon.
I'm 21 yet. That are soon coming, not come yet.
Are we parents wicked to ourselves, you know?
Well,
Because we go on a rope.
no, but listen now.
To try to elevate, you know. But it come like say the more you walk, the more the rope.
Media paradise good with a chill out, you know. Media paradise I buy myself a chill. You, I'm a mother. I don't know what government number go try and trouble me and disturb me and put me in a world. Me never want to come here, you know. So you have to just do it.
So you're not glad you're there?
Hmm?
You're not glad you're there upon the earth?
Give me something so I'm glad.
So we have to give you something for glad.
What do you mean? No, you come bother me and disturb me. Give me peace.
I was in a true school. Who buy food give you? Who feed you? Eh? And you come and tap me and tell
Who
me.
got inform on you? Put the next finger.
Oh.
Just transfer, man. I'm going to say I can't say I take it and just transfer something, man. Something can transfer.
Alright, you win today. Alright, we transfer one look of $5,000. You can go buy yourself a drink.
Right. Huh? We work with that, you know. We work with that.
And tell the bartender to give you one drink. Just tell him to put it on your father bill.
Alright.
Hello. 1 drink.
Yeah, man. 1/2 dozen drink.
1 drink. Please. Me a beg.
Alright.
Watch ya. How you come from?
Are you me fear ask that?
A man here come from?
Where you are come from?
Oh, me go on a business trip, you know?
Me just a come from round your yard. And me see your woman, but me no make you say you me come to you know me ask for your son, but me buck up your
So
son
what you
out
do
here.
on me yard, you idiot? Are you a fool?
No.
So what you do on me yard? You're lucky she never dash a piece by you when she have in a back a store for 5 years now.
She could have never so bright.
You can't walk a people yard and look for them man. How you fi do that? And I'm my name, we go tell her, say, look, I'm here, look.
Your son.
So what you have something to do with my son now?
Excuse.
Oh, you're lucky. Come with your rocky 2 fists. It look like you go party so last night. How where you go?
Me go a flush.
Go do it.
No party.
Without me?
Yes.
How a great man.
You never did that sleep.
Sleep where?
You did that sleep.
I was not here. So how you know if me did how you know if I never security what me I do till daylight?
Yeah, the work.
The same clothes that me left me yard in I hit me come back in.
Anything else is still, but I don't a supermarket, me I go in there, you not no cash for you.
No, any cash you want, you have to check me later. No raw cash right now, just check me later. My son just see me a while ago and make him want $50,000. Me not have no more. I give him 50,000. When me did have in my pocket as cash, one man come and they clean up my yard, you must see him over there for they go over there. Me give him 250,000 a while ago for clean up the whole yard.
So you never know, so you go see me.
Just to buy juice. And then, what you say?
You never know, so you go see me. Give your son 25 and he rest at 25 for me.
No worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. That I go flourish. No worry. Me have as much money. No worry. Money did enough.
Make sure.
So here what me I say, check me later, me give some raw cash.
Make sure say you did it, you know.
No, over me yard, you know. Same place where you always meet me. Remember, do not, me there now, so do not come back to me yard.
Okay.
Because the more my son see me and you, and the more me have to pay my son. I mean, in that.
Oh.
So if my son see you again or next time, you're telling him you're done. So me have no more money to give.
Alright.
Remember, you know?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Later then.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
How would the machete do you, sir?
Come back with
I don't
some
understand
money.
this,
And
yeah. Why the machete around there, sir?
what do you mean? A jawbone machete.
I'm thinking the man that me saying come up here to clean up, you know. Said my son buy machete.
Yes. With son, same get work, my dear.
So if he can get work, so why the machete?
I don't me I
No,
wonder,
listen.
can him leave the yard with the machete? So man I pay him for clean up him yard.
Man, pay him.
And he leave with the machete. Come
Missing my son out the road, you know. And he's sure not working going. You're sure it's
rum bar or woman, which one?
Well, it look like the rum bar in gone. Me don't know how you believe, say. Our son, I gonna use machete, chop people yard.
True, me come run
You
and see
tell
the
me
brand
now.
new machete. I mean, no son of you.
Oh boy.
Jaja.
I think you would have learned by now.
So I ain't take the machete and just fling it around.
I don't know, this is throw down. Let me tell you already, day and night. What happened?
Hey!
What happened?
Somebody a 100,000. What
You
side?
got so much money?
Somebody a tried hey. The little brute. Well, them mark not. Can 80,000 them a check for. 70,000 them a check for. Hold on there. Mark not. Can barely
Black it yard,
10,000
black it
in
yard.
there so.
Black it yard. Before they enjoy the little 10,000.
He block. He block.
So who you give your card?
Who else me forgive the card so?
Your
The
son.
one jawbone.
So where you give me card to go to?
Me, you tell me, say me can't leave the yard because you're waiting for the man for come. Him come and tell me, say, him get the work. Me see the machete believe him, say him get the work, and him ask me for fear and lunch money and thing.
Oh, you want next one again too?
Jaja.
You give your son card because he get the work for fear and lunch. And you give the card for how much?
You're supposed to draw 2,000.
And then you see 100 a decline now, you see 80 a decline, you see 70 a decline. Me don't know too much a decline anymore.
You brute, you. You might try again.
You know what about them? You block your card and that's it.
Me stop it,
Let them
yes.
continue try. But as I say,
Understand.
when he come in, me talk to him about that.
Please. Because...
I know that more want to talk about you know. Me look how work when me tell me I go up and as I say, yeah, me work whole night and me come back. Me not really spend
get through.
me not really spend 2 days, since I spend only 24 hours, right? I more than 24 hours, but it's not so bad.
You get pay?
Huh?
You get pay?
Get paid. Oh.
I mean, I work you go upon. So you not get paid for the work you do.
I want to tell you something, baby. When I got there, Right? I mean, stand up all night for training, you know, and I work for training, you know. You don't know, say one girl I look me and me just say, you know what? Me I left this work. Me don't want the job.
Which girl I look you?
That's the girl I do. I mean, I just left because I'm loyal to my woman. Me say, yo, bossy, me don't want to work again. No, as much as you pay me more than minimum wage, me don't want the work, I me just walk off of the work.
Hold on. Now me see where job one get him stupidness from, you know. So you know much in your head? Eh? You know much in your head? Every little piece of attention you go get, you go say, you turn down and you walk off for work for, you even get paid first.
Listen, me loyal to you, baby. And if a woman I go there look me, you know what, me still live on the work.
So you know how much in your head and said no, I'm married, me not interested. Eh?
I lift up the left hand, but the left hand do not have the ring. That's why me did tell you me want to sell the ring for buy no food. But you force me. So I sell the ring and buy food put in the house.
And you have little strength for go work now, but it never give you no sense. Eh? It never give you no sense.
Me don't need to work.
You walk off of the damn job without money.
No, the good thing now, the boss now, so we can stay home and collect money. So not be fret.
Hey.
No one then they'll go to hustle.
Me big and black, but me not big and stupid. Which kind of boss I gonna make you turn a home and collect money? Me want that the kind of work. Huh? If you don't want it, me want it.
No.
Me will do the work, you know.
No.
And me work damn hard, you know.
No, I know damn hard work this. I catch a boss, I cheat on the husband. I me use against her. I said to her, I said, listen me I go home, but you can pay me while I'm there home. And she said, yo, she will send the money. So you see what I try to show you. So if you see a woman that send the money, I'm the boss. Yeah. Yes, baby, yeah. Money,
I promise he's a comfort to a damn fool, and that's what you be. You have no signed paper so she can pay you?
No, man, me trust her. But once a week, I have to go there, go check upon her once a week.
Okay. Yeah. Well, the same work you do, me I go do too.
No problem.
No problem. Cause me love that work, you know. Me love that kind of work, you know, Popeye. No, you can go work and you can tell your boss, say, I'm going home. And pay me while I'm home. Why? Me want that the kind of work. Rub off your luck, Popeye.
No, baby. You can't do as a man job that.
Well, what my name? No woman.
She no want no woman.
Me not for work for your boss. Plenty boss out there will give you the same opportunity.
No.
I mean, I gotta find one. Actually, might find 2 jobs. Me might be a 3-job woman. Watch this space. Vote. Me I gonna get 3 of them the job. And me I gonna smile while me do it too. Watch and see.
I want to put myself in a... Jesus!
Oh, this bag, man. Oh, God. Me no need to ask where you they come from. Where my card?
Card?
My bank card.
You know what I say, mommy? I said, daddy a while ago, daddy give me 5,000 a while ago to go down to have a drink. And he said, me can't trust one. What did they have no sense to that, mommy? He can't say me got a bar. Me got a bar to go trust one drink. Mommy, I shell me shell that thing.
Cha.
Me see I shell me shell that. Mommy.
Lord God, y'all smell like a brewery. Eh? You don't leave none of the rum in the bar.
I say everything done on the book. The book full. But right now, you must have money to pay for that thing.
Are your father Tabby run up, sir? Can that man you win pan pints? Barely. No bother with it. First of all, wake up enough. Where my card there? Where my bank card there? Jabon, where my bank card there?
Mommy.
How you try rinse off my bank card, sir?
I know I use the card. The card. Even know if you tell about your card then, I can't find the card, man, I tell you. Because from this, if you just give me, if you send me if 5,000, I can't find the card, I don't even touch it. Right?
What
Just
working?
just run up a bill. Bill not tap, run.
You run up the bill. You run up the bill.
Bill not tap, run up, man. Tell you.
Job one. Where me card there? Because from morning, me see 80,000, 100,000, eh? And I think you gonna work.
Grass, I walk up with that.
You think you gonna work? You not even worth it. You not even worth it. You're your father. You're your father. Me don't know how you gonna work it out, you know. But your fault. Cause you not get 1 red cent from me no more. Me block my card. Eh? You worthless and drunkard like a what? So what work you say you gonna do?
Work.
Work. And then your father find the machine. You know what? You know what? Go into the house. Cause we can't deal with you right now. Cause if me see you another minute longer, me I got chop. So go along into the house. Go on, man. Damn drunkards.
Oh, wait, sir.
Right. You don't know where your yard, yeah? Why go into the yard, man? You just sick my stomach, so. When your father come, you and him are gonna work it out. Clear. Why go into the yard, man? Before you make me chop you. Can't even look at you right now, you sick my damn stomach. What a thing though, Lord. Cha-cha. Worthless, what?
You're brutal. You think me asleep?
Come to think you asleep on the pandemic.
Where I come from?
Don't know auntie.
Don't know which auntie. Me call auntie say no come down there from when? Where I come from?
Don't know auntie. For us, if I come from don't know auntie, I come from.
You know I come from don't know auntie. You know what? A matter of fact, let me go from your food come here.
Boy, sister. You did bad man. Nice.
Me never tell you so daddy I go send money. A matter of fact, you want to show the pay where it out of?
Yeah.
Oh. Anyways, me I go down, me I go somewhere, and I go send down your cousin them, because me no want you wanna stay up here, and I come in and I road them how much I crack the car. If me up here, you come in how much I crack already, much less when me in a day here.
Alright.
So me I send down there, stay down here till me come back here.
Yeah.
Alright.
So when me I go down there.
Take up your bag and go on. Me I leave out shortly so you can go on now. And make sure that your cousin them I go here. Cause I go call him.
Alright.
Me don't know how you and your father go work it out.
You work it out, mommy, but that thing me I look.
Eh?
Go down from the road and come back.
Oh God, oh, she get a job yet?
I'm so on the that it
Okay.
Maybe look at my shit, what do you do?
Okay, well go to him or her and go get your money. I mean, no.
See big man, I call. Big man.
Yes, Betty.
Betty who? Who you talk to, Betty?
No, man, rephrase that, Betty. Rephrase it just a while ago. How me hold so much money?
Oh, I bet you don't I borrow them money.
My son shell on the bar. You mean shell off the board them here.
I'm telling you, mommy.
You and your father gotta deal with this.
Buy out the bar. With what? Buy out with what, Betty? When my son to get money from Betty? My what? You give my son the whole bar for my bill. But Betty, you idiot. Betty, me did call you and tell you, say, to give my son the whole bar. And you and him go find out that, you know. Betty, you can't win me, no, Betty. And you call me never call you now. You call me when your bar done. You all fat turn upside of me. But, very all I want. Sam, if it, no, the mama will pay that. No,
Hey, pay what?
call it done. The mama will pay.
Hey, nobody trap for me.
Wanna be boy.
I say no, daddy.
What me tell you this to do?
Drink some liquor and use it myself.
Me say take one drink.
Mm-hmm.
You take your whole shop.
Hey,
You know, it was another bar I see hot girl. It's 1 drink, turn in 2. 2 turn in 3. 3 go 4. And you know you go on and on and on.
your son.
You see the type of people in the way you push out?
Your son.
Listen, man, but I complain about that, man. Because you know you go already, man.
When you dip him soda in your rum, when him a baby, and he would sleep better, man. He might put hair upon him chest when he grow.
Yeah, exactly,
This is what the result is, so deal with the result.
The whole I don't know, I play a mind game with me this morning. We answer the wrong number.
To the wrong damn number.
Okay.
To the wrong damn number.
Alright.
And who you a give out number to
yo.
and ask for Janet?
That thing else but down there, you know.
Which thing?
They must stack up back again, man.
Which thing?
That thing else but down the bar.
If I give you no money today, God shall strike your mother.
Strike who?
Remember them, yeah.
What that mean?
Mug your team, son. Mug your team. Big boy, man. Big boy. Mug
You know, I broke
Hold on. I walk on you, sir.
Broke code, you don't know broke code.
No, mug.
Oh, so if you know broke code.
Yeah,
Well,
woman.
broke code. Since money I got dish out easy.
So,
Yeah, instead of you discipline the boy. Instead of you clot up the boy and make him get little sense. Run tap on for your bill and you're gonna pay him for it.
me up here at the bill.
So where money I run?
No, me just give you 5 grand to have a drink. You man
Okay, so give me 10 grand, make me go have a drink to
I
them.
mean, it's easy now, man. Make it.
Keep me your mouth.
Make him and them talk now about the business.
Which
before
man?
they
Man
talk.
and man too. Man two and man two.
And that with you know. And that's why me can't reach far in the life.
Speak for yourself.
You know, say something fishy about your mother. You know,
Hi. You smell your bottom lip, behave yourself.
How are you doing?
Ask him.
and you, I follow your mother. Me lick off smile off your face. Yeah, boy? Eh? What me do with your bottom lip?
No, she.
And me a beard up, pick up face up, woman. Eh? You know what beard up mean?
They must have feel they grow right round.
I don't talk with you, you know. Because you're trying to rank with me.
Where you say go on now? Come on, left out of the yard, you know.
Let me ask you a question. Is there anything you want to tell me? Is there anything you hide from me?
Me fi ask you that because me want to know how him a go squinty and mouthy and you who when you fart it squeak how you tight ready for fling out money game. So me want to know what go on. When me and your wife so fuck out too. If you fuck out for him, you fuck out for me
The
too.
wife can go work.
And son can go work.
Son ready for work yet.
Me not ready for work yet.
When
Then me not ready for work.
Me are just 20.
I me a just woman.
I want you with you, your bad mind, you know, man.
I know you do, you know.
And your son this, you can't fight out, you look at $5,000 when I get.
Me not stop the 5,000 because him a go drink it off. And for him liver and for him the kidneys him a
The 30
damage.
grand what the year, yeah. And the 30 grand blew up.
Ben like him father.
What do you mean by spend like him father?
You heard it. You
Where
want
did-
translator too?
Where did the 30 grand?
Me look like Jawbone to you?
A matter of fact.
Me
Where's
get-
the,
No, how you
get
gonna
30
answer
grand.
that? Exactly.
Where-
Me want to know it.
where's the bank card?
My bank card had to get stopped because somebody had gone too hype on it.
That me I say wonder who
I
that.
wonder who that, see? When everything a run and everything get questioned now, a dopey. When everything a go on good,
How many bank here, daddy?
I wish you money you have about me.
I under the pound road. Are you supposed to know him, woman? Them.
Them-
Are you supposed to know him, woman? Them come here and no idiot.
Me no know.
So you say Brownie I can't look for him at daytime. I wish money you have as a Brownie. I wish Brownie in my talk.
One nice brown in there, man. Yes.
Oh, the one that come in and asks for you every day.
Oh.
And that mean for
Gin-
talk.
and ginger head one.
Thank you. Me glad you not remind me. We have little sense.
I'm my woman
Which
that- I'm my woman, I'm
she
my
say
woman.
she
My
are your
woman.
woman, you know.
No,
And the
yeah,
little
woman.
girl can't lie, you know.
I'm a say-
Every time she come in, you know. Bye-bye! 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 And what she depend your name so hard for?
Yeah, but you don't remember my son name.
Me born big. And remember.
I'm me girl, man. I should tell her some name. So me tell her. Some name.
Oh, me born big, black and ugly.
I forget them be name.
Me born big, black and ugly. The two I no remember. What is in the dark have to come in at the light. And you, remember say, what is good for the geese is good for the gander. Anything you do, make out a street and do it 5 times bigger and better. So know yourself. Me nah
I want
argue.
your mother not understand, you know. Anything when me I do out the street, she can't do it.
Really? Okay.
You don't have no pole.
Push me to the test. Push me to the test. Me a pole hold the door.
It's much like. Me tell you, you give me extra.
Son, relax, man. Yeah, what you do? Yeah, rob your father before time.
Rob that.
Galang man, galang. Anything you can do, I can do it better.
Are the boss, me I go check you know.
Yes, ma'am. You check my boss later too.
You know how work, what kind of boss you talking
Me
about?
find work. Me find whole filling work.
Alright,
That will fill me up and fill me and make me complete.
Must send 10 grand from you.
Which 10 grand? Which 10 grand?
Send to me first.
And then me here, you say to Betty house, they don't comfort, so me go pay bill. Where 10 grand I go? Where 10 grand I go? Me go and get myself filled wholly and solely. When him fill me whole, I go and sing
Mommy,
and
never
shout. Go long,
Two of
cause me
one.
can go up on road too. Anything I wanna do, me can do it too. To be some idiot.
Job one, you really fit think about it, man. And you bring that into the house. Who that?
Me.
Who am me? Hello? Can I help you?
Can help me. You're very good.
You just a come in, so. Hey, little girl, I don't know you, so you just a come in a people's house, so.
Yeah, well.
Are you a friend?
Yeah, man.
I want your girl then.
We don't know him.
Who them here? So you don't know me now? Who them
So
here?
how you
know that. Me know
how you get picture of me when
Don't worry. It's so easy. Don't worry.
how you get that the picture? Who you be? Come man, talk her forever, hold your
Me be
peace.
your daughter. So see me talk then.
What you know, sir?
No,
You remember when I go and left my past sister? Every time I go up on the road, I try to find me, I tell my sister like I say I go up on my auntie and I you walk all up until me reaching late at night time. Every time.
What's my you
Auntie and sister tell me say you go and left her for me, I look up baby, and daddy I feel take care of me.
Abby,
No?
Ash.
Abby.
How but
how you
you find me? How
Me I walk and ask question and to me. Cause my sister said she not have nothing to do with you. No.
What's my
Are your sister?
me? Eh?
Yeah. You never know. She had 23.
Job one. You know my younger day.
So me alone
You
there.
not even say nothing for me, mommy. But daddy alone I fear mine.
No, but
Sister tell me say you don't send no money for you gone. You don't send nothing. Daddy alone and she alone. Every day I don't put on butter she feed me pan.
you're not supposed to know. You know. Listen up.
I want one.
And I joke this. When I was younger, me did fall pregnant and not just you one. Me turn fool. Oh really
So,
you?
no me one.
All right.
So daddy have more pick me out there. Or me
Your-
alone you have then.
Your daddy not know pick me. Your daddy I not know daddy.
Same with daddy I don't know daddy.
What is not this? All right. Job on your beat. That's why me I try steer you out of the life you live.
No,
Yes.
me understand. Me no know what you mean by my daddy and not the way you mean. Me no understand.
And me did younger. Me did while, you know. Me wasn't always such a good woman. Me did while. And this is before you born, man. Man breed me, meet a man. Joseph. And me fall film lyrics. And me get pregnant, but me couldn't me go down a town and leave the baby with my sister. And then me meet your father and me couldn't me just turned fool. Me couldn't get away with that. Me couldn't get away with you. Papa, he miserable, you know, but him kind, so me just give him the belly. Your father.
Yo, D who which Ben? How are you? How are you?
Hold on. I'm
All
trying
right.
to prove. Wait.
How are you?
All right, hold on.
Yeah. See me out there. You see? I can't see.
How are you? I wish you
You know
could
I
hear
know
me that
proof.
I'm your man. Hug up in
You
that
know
picture.
why no more proof. I'm your
Huh?
mother.
So you know say your mother. And so the 1 year when your mother.
She left me for me next
Just know what
sister.
one while ago, big man.
So the 1 year when you left here, I picked you up bad.
You know what? What me I hold my head down in a shame for? What me I hold my head down in a shame for? Let me tell you how it go. Me no shame or nothing. You're my daughter. You're my son. And you're my blanks.
My blanks.
Oh.
My blanks? What do you mean by blanks?
Baby, all you fire is pure blanks.
So, Jawbone, I know my son.
You know, say. Well, everything come out now, so me not nothing to hide.
That means so that means say he browning and you breed it in.
Breed what? Breed what browning? Which browning?
You see him browning if I call
What do you mean by that? I'm breedy, I'm alone.
And I'm here to
Oh! That is why my ancestors lift up my head just now and tell me nothing afraid of nothing. You're my picnic. I'm a proud of you. I'm a happy. Thank God say you come find me. And a tree picnic my house.
You can't get no picnic here, I tell you.
A beer blacks your fire.
When I am 23, my big sister when me did I live with. When mommy
Yes. All the time when you think say you're a big shot and big this and big that, you're big blanks, man. You're big blanks, man.
Yeah, when we know you say you're sick out in the hospital, I pick me up band, the girl picking it, and then come, say you breed, and give me this and one that, and I see a man, and get the first picnic, hear him.
Papa, I never want you find out like this.
So
That's why you never have it like that.
And then after that, no, you go back again and say they are foreign, I work, I want to make money. With the one, I mean, you know, like I idiot, sit down here. I should have did more. You see the moment we see I vomit, I should have did more.
Everybody vomit. Papa, I never want you find out like this. But at the time you was a good man. But as time go on, man, you start getting miserable. And then time go on, I mean I know how to tell you and
You see your guy good? You see your guy good? God let me have the little browning for the side to breathe.
No.
Do what?
I might pick that the big one. I might pick that if you're fire blank.
What do you mean by your picnic?
You come and share my business. Come make me pay feet, you know, every money you give me gear and get me get.
So all along me pay we keep your mouth shut. I'm crying, my woman.
Your woman.
Under the quiet.
Okay. So all this time when the dirty bitch come here, Papa, me was right.
So.
Okay. Come sit down, my daughter.
Your mother betray me.
Betray you?
You betray me.
3 times. 3 times. I know my son. No, my son again.
You never
My stepson. Betray me.
Worthless.
I don't know betray that father.
Breed my woman.
Breed your woman.
When me have feed and me have mind.
Oh God, gosh. How good.
Money.
How good. How good. Hey, oh yeah, no. Come out from my son. Come out from my son. Hey, boy. Hey, Blanks boy. Hey, dirty Blanks boy. You can't touch my picnic, you know. Mr. Blanks.
Oh yeah, David.
Who for picnic I touch?
Listen, it's your pack up and come out here.
Oh,
I will sue you.
So what? You see this, Mr. Blanks? This means half, and your name done there on the birth certificate. So try me.
You know,
Who I gonna come out and want? Try me.
when DNA do you go to prison?
Try me.
And guess what?
Try me.
You see the ring you have on your finger? It's always a setup.
Oh.
You see that ring?
Oh.
It doesn't value $2,000. Guess what again? You see the pastor was not a real pastor. Okay. You see the documents that were signed? That was just a photocopy. Get out.
Oh, and you see
Get
the
out.
liar I have? You see Miss Robinson that
I
you
don't
did a
business,
flirt
get
with? I'm a liar.
I don't-
And I got to deal with you. I'm already
Get
start
out.
the paperwork.
Get out.
So it's all right.
Get out.
Me will come out.
Get out.
You see this?
Get smart.
You do some. You name half. And you see the bigger half? Can me have this? I mean a woman. And me I gotta get the bigger
Get out.
half.
Get out.
So
Get out.
call my daughter.
Get
Make
out.
we leave.
Get
Me I
out.
gotta take everything.
Get out.
And I gotta find a man that no fire blinds. Cause me need a man that has so try it. Try it. Me a dopey conqueror. Try it. See me?
All right, don't be conqueror. Go on. You win. You win to the card and say, live for fight.
Let me spread my sheets. Me I gotta get more to Harper.
Go on.
Hey, me I gotta get a good man that know how to water garden.
Go on. Go on. You soon know what you are going to get.